Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 or Note 9, and you basically want to be able to make the volume up and down button do something in while the camera is open. So basically you want it to be able to take photos, record a video, zoom, or just plain system volume. And we'll go over each of these. And basically how you get to this is you just open up your camera and go into the settings here, top right hand side, gear icon, tap on that. Then we want to slide down and we want to look for volume key function while we're in the camera. Okay, so tap on that. I'll leave it on pictures. A shortcut to get to the camera, if you have quick launch enabled, is double press the power button. That even works if you're on the lock screen. Anyways, now every time I press the volume up or down, it's just going to take a photo. Doesn't matter if you press volume up or down. And of course, you still have the same shutter button down here as well. Now, let me go back. And we're going to go all the way down, back to the volume key function. Let me tap on that. And now we have here record video. And to record video is you can press volume up or down. And to shut it off, you press volume up or down. Doesn't matter. I'll press volume up to start it. And to stop it, you can press volume up again or volume down, whatever you want. I'll press volume down. And then it stops the video. And we'll go back into the settings again, scroll all the way down, back to volume key function, and I'll tap on that. And now we have zoom here, so we can zoom in and zoom out using the volume up and down rockers. So go to zoom here, open up my camera again, and you can see volume up zooms in, and volume down zooms all the way back out, as you can see there. And then we'll go to the last one here. The last one is just system volume. So go back down, volume key function. And if you have the system volume on, the only thing it does is even if your camera is on, it's just gonna, you're still gonna be able to increase and decrease your phone volume. So pretty simple. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.